In this video tutorial, we will show you how to create a unique light source in ARCHLine.XP and how to use it. The light sources are available from the Design Center on the left. Under the Catalog tab, click on the Light Sources icon. Here are two folders. Under Global Light Sources, you can find all light sources that can be placed in a project, while the project light sources indicate those ones are already included. Click on the Global Light Source folder, select a light source from the User folder. We will create here our own light source. To create on our light source, we select and copy an existing one and modify it later. If it is selected, click on the cogwheel icon in the upper right corner. Select Make a Copy and then click Yes in the appearing dialog window. In the new dialog window, we can specify the name of the light source, customized purple light for example. When the copy is created, click on it and modify it. The first setting is the type of the light source. Here you can choose from 4 options. Now we choose the sphere option. The essence of this light source that it evenly illuminates from one point towards all directions. Under the Category tab, the product is only a description field. There we can only make distinction between light sources and it doesn't affect anything else, neither the brightness nor the color of the light source. Select the halogen option. After selecting the appropriate, click on the back button or preview will change, which can be more easily found later. The brightness can be set here, in other words, how intense the light source is. We can give that value in lumen. If you don't have this data, check an existing one and give that value to it. Here we can specify the color of the light, modify it to purple color. The fall-off defines the intensity is decreasing as we are getting further away from the light source. With inverse linear setting, depending on the distance, as we move away, the brightness decreases in straight proportions. With inverse to distance, the distance affects the light strength as it is in reality. With constant setting, the light has the same intensity all along as it moves further away in space. Everything will be illuminated. It is a perfect choice for fill light. Select the inverse to distance option. If we finished with all, we created the light source. This can be found and used for other projects under User folder. In the project there is a standing lamp. Now we will replace its light source to purple. Before you start the process, start the integrated rendering real-time draft so you can see the result immediately. We can see that the standing lamp is currently lit in white. From the right, drag and drop the light source to the lamp and select Add Light Source command. In the dialog window, remove the old light source and pull the new one into the luminaire. From the views, select the Top View command, so that way the light source can be placed exactly in the center of the luminaire. Close the window with OK button, and the adjustment in the render window immediately appears.